Good morning, class. Today I will continue line-wise explanation of the chapter 100 Days is First. The next day, Tuesday, Vanda was not in school either, and nobody noticed her absence again. And Vanda had no friends in the room number 13. So when she was absent, no student was worried about her absence, and no student used to look to at the seat where Vanda Petronsky used to sit. But on Wednesday, Peggy and Maddie, who sat down front with other children who got good marks and who did track in a whole lot of mud. But on Wednesday, Peggy and Maddie, who used to wait Vanda Petronsky on the way. Why they were waiting Vanda Petronsky on the way? To make fun of her. And Peggy and Maddie were the good students. They always stood first in the class. They always got good marks in the class. And they belongs to a rich family. And their feet were not covered with the cakes of mud. Did notice that Vanda wasn't there, and then Peggy and Maddie looked at the seat of Vanda Petronsky, and they found that she was absent. And Peggy and Maddie showed concern for the Vanda's absence. It didn't mean that they were the friend of the Vanda Petronsky. It means that Peggy was the most popular girl in school. She was pretty. She had many pretty clothes, and her hair was curly. And in these lines, the writer is giving introduction about the Peggy, and he is telling that Peggy was very bright student and she was very popular in the school. She was very pretty, beautiful. She had many pretty clothes that shows that she belongs to a rich family, rich Christian family, and her hair was curly and she had a very curly hair. Maddie was her closest friend. The reason Peggy and Maddie noticed Vanda's absence was because Vanda had made them late to school. And today on Wednesday, when Peggy and Maddie got late due to Vanda, because they were waiting while coming from home on the way for Vanda, because they wanted to make fun of Vanda on the way. But on Wednesday also Vanda Petronsky did not come. So Peggy and Maddie got late to reach school due to Vanda. So when they reached school, they looked at the seat of Vanda Petronsky, whether she had come or not. They had waited for Vanda to have some fun with her, and she just hadn't come. On the way, Peggy and Maddie, when they were coming from home, they were waiting on the way Vanda Petronsky because they wanted to make fun of her. But that day Vanda didn't come. They often waited for Vanda Petronsky to have fun with her. And it was not a reason that they were the good friends of the Vanda Petronsky. That's why they were showing concern for the absence of the Vanda. But the exact reason was that they used to make fun of Vanda Petronsky by asking funny questions about her dresses, about her shoes, and so on the way they were waiting for Vanda. But on Wednesday also Vanda Petronsky did not come, so they got late to school. When they reached to room number 13, they found that they got late due to Vanda Petronsky. So they looked towards the seat of Vanda, and they bothered to know whether she had come or not. Now very short questions are given. The portion which I have explained from these portions, these questions are, so I will discuss them also. Where in the classroom does Vanda sit and why? The Vanda Petronsky used to sit in last row, last seat in the corner of the room number 13 because she belongs to a police family. She was very poor and she used to wear one blue faded dress. She had no friends in the room number 13 and her feet when she used to come from Bogin Heights to school, she used to come bare feet, so her feet were covered with the cakes of mud. That's why Vanda Petronsky always sits in the last seat, last row of room number 13. Where does Vanda live? What kind of place do you think it is? Vanda Petronsky lives in Bogins Heights. It is a very dirty surrounding place situated at Chicago in America. When and why do Peggy and Maddie notice Vanda's absence? On Wednesday, when they were waiting for the Vanda Petronsky while coming from school on the way, and due to Vanda Petronsky they got late for the class, then they noticed Vanda's absence in the class. What do you think to have fun with her means? So to have fun with her means to make laugh at someone, to ask funny question with Vanda Petronsky, to make mockery of her. So this is the meaning of the to have fun with her.